Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your ICICI bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your preferred search engine. Then search ICICI Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.icicibank.com. Then go to Login from the top right corner and go to Personal. Once the page has been loaded up, you can either log in through your user ID or your mobile number. We'll be logging in with our user ID. Then enter your password. To make sure your password is correct, you can click to this eye icon to view your password. To make login easier, you can click on Remember User ID, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have a trouble logging in, you can get help by clicking Trouble Logging In. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.